Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Now let us see lesson number 1, sets and practice set 1.4. Already we have seen first two examples. Now let us see third example from practice set 1.4. In a competitive exam, 50 students passed in English. 60 students passed in mathematics. 40 students passed in both the subjects. None of them failed in both the subjects. Find the number of students who passed at least in one of the subjects. So here we have 50 students who passed in English. So for this we can consider set A students who passed in English. So here number of students in set A, that is 50. So 50 students who passed in English. Now let us consider set B students who passed in mathematics, and therefore number of students in set B is equal to 60. 60 students passed in mathematics. Now 40 students passed in both the subjects. It means that 40 students who passed in English and mathematics. Therefore A intersection B, that is students who passed in both the subjects. Therefore here we can write N of A intersection B, that is total number of students who passed in both the subjects, that is 40. Now none of them fail in both the subjects, and we have to find the number of students who passed at least in one of the subjects. That is, we have to find A union B. Therefore A union B is equal to students who passed at least in one of the subject. Therefore N of A union B is equal to question mark. That is students who passed in English or maths. That is N of A union B is equal to question mark. But we know that N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Now we have to put the values of N of A. N of A is given 50 students who passed in English. N of B, that is students who passed in mathematics, that is 60. And N of A intersection B, that is students who passed in both these subjects, that is 40. So 50 plus 60, that is 110 minus 40, and 110 minus 40, that is 70. So here we got N of A union B, that is students who passed at least in one of the subject or passed in English or maths. Therefore, we can write here students who pass at least in one of the subjects, that is 70. So let us see few more examples from practice set 1.4 in next video. And don't forget to write this example in your notebook. Bye. Take care.